Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I bring you one of the most important videos that I did this year. This is the Arbitrum Airdrop coming soon, and I will explain you why I think this is a one in a lifetime opportunity. I'm going to compare it with the Optimism Airdrop that happened in May, June. I'm going to talk a little bit about Arbitrum if you are not familiar with what this project is. But basically then we are going to see how this could affect your life, because the airdrop of Arbitrum, it will come for sure this year and you will make a lot of money just with this airdrop. So this is a very important video for you. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Guys, really, this is one of my most important videos of the year, because I want you to get free money, and this is one of a life opportunity. What is Arbitrum? If you are not familiar with this, basically it's one of the layer 2 solutions right now. You know that Polygon solves the problems of the network of Ethereum, while the second one most important on the market right now is Arbitrum. We have Loopring, Optimism, Immutable X, and I will add to this top 6 Metis DAO. So all those layer 2 solutions are solving the scalability, the gas fees issue of Ethereum. We know that Polygon is in the news all the time, but Arbitrum actually is the second one, most important one. If you go to DeFi Llama, you can see the TVL of Polygon is 1.6 billion at this moment. Arbitrum at this moment is almost near the 1 billion. And you can see Optimism, which is another layer 2 solution, very similar in one aspect to Arbitrum. It's near what Arbitrum has in TVL. This has been happening because Optimism did an airdrop to all the community of the OP token during May, June of this year. That token, if you go and cover it, you can see here that is in position 150 at $1.16, and we have an all-time high of $2.20. So yeah, you can check this price here in CoinDeco, and this is very important because I will speculate a little bit on how could be the airdrop of Arbitrum, because Arbitrum right now doesn't have any token, but it's for sure, guys, for sure that they are going to do it. There has been many clues on comments of the creators that I will say and translate that the expectation of a token, it will come. At the moment of this video, we don't have any dates or any specific data into that. Nitro was merged, so the Arbitrum network is stronger than ever. So I really think that before the end of the year, we are going to hear about an airdrop on Arbitrum. And this airdrop, it will be, from my perspective, very similar to what Optimism did, which was give the tokens to the community, people that were using the network, people that were engaged into the Arbitrum applications. So I will tell you exactly what you need to know in order to get those tokens. And actually, we are going to compare it with Optimism and see how many tokens and how much money you can earn here. Because you know that with the Uniswap airdrop of Ethereum, for example, there were millionaires, guys, millionaires. People did hundreds of thousands of dollars receiving that airdrop. And I think we have an opportunity unique here. If you didn't do that with Optimism, I missed that airdrop. I don't want to miss the Arbitrum airdrop. So very quickly, what is Arbitrum? Arbitrum is a layer 2 blockchain for Ethereum using optimistic rollups as scaling technology. It processes transactions on its proprietary sidechain and relies that the new chain state to the Ethereum mainnet. This allows Arbitrum to achieve a throughput of up 40,000 transactions per second at significantly lower gas cost than an Ethereum mainnet. I will put the link on the description here. I am not going into details of the technological part of Arbitrum. I am a developer and I understand this, but maybe you are not even interested. So this is a link from CoinMarketCap. You have what is Arbitrum here, actually the difference between the CK rollups, between Optimism, Arbitrum. Very, very interesting. If you want to follow this project, you need to read all that and understand it, but I will not do it in this video. The website is arbitrum.io. And here you have the portal of Arbitrum. This is portal.arbitrum.1, and you can see all the projects that are already using Arbitrum right now. The list actually is super big. You can see that in CoinGecko. If I scroll down here, all these projects are part of the ecosystem of Arbitrum. You can see here that we have more than 100 projects already in Arbitrum. We also have Arbitrum Nova ecosystem, which is another part of the Arbitrum ecosystem. You have the bridge on Arbitrum. This is bridge.arbitrum.io. And the community of Arbitrum is growing a lot, almost 300,000 followers on Twitter. We have a hackathon for Arbitrum in October. We have already launched the Nitro, which has been an update in the network, allowing a lot of things, improving the scalability. And Arbitrum is actually one company owned and created by Off-Chain Labs. This is not usually discussed, but Off-Chain Labs these are the founders of Arbitrum too. The project and this company is actually really big. You can see here the team and read about it. The team is really big at this moment. You see open positions and everything. So the project of Arbitrum is super solid, and I would recommend you to participate in this airdrop. So let's talk a little bit about Optimism and how was this. Optimism.io, another layer 2 solution. We have here in the documentation on Optimism how was the airdrop. So basically Optimism has announced the launch of their governance token OP and confirmed to airdrop a 19% of the total supply to early and future Optimism users. Optimism users, repeat Optimism users, DAO voters, multi-sign signers, Gitcoin donors, and users priced out of Ethereum by the snapshot are eligible to claim the airdrop. The snapshot of the addresses was taken on March 25, 2022. So this means the airdrop was in May-June, so this means that you need to use the ecosystem before they announce the airdrop, because they want to ensure that you were using and you were a user of the platform and the network before getting the airdrop. So as soon as you do what I mentioned in this video, you will have more possibilities to earn the airdrop. So the total supply of Optimism was 4 billion. The 19% was 860 million. If you do all the steps, and all the steps were here actually in the documentation on Optimism, and here I will put the link on the description just in order that you see how it was. You needed to do a lot of things, using the application, using the wallet, voting in the DAO, and they will pay you an amount of rewards according to what you completed here. You can see the amount of addresses that did this task, so that will give you the amount of what you have. Basically, if you do all the steps, you get more than 20,000 tokens. 20,000 tokens of Optimism at this point are more than $20,000, guys. Optimism is already, if you go to markets here, it's already in Binance and many other exchanges. So it's really, really easy to liquidate these tokens and sell it for another tokens or USDC. So right now, 20,000 tokens is more than $20,000. And at the all-time high, it will be like $40,000. So like you can see here in this video of Chico Crypto, many people did with the Optimism airdrop between $30,000 and $50,000. So this is free money, guys. That is why this video is one of the most important videos that I did. And I will put the link on the description, because in this video, Chico Crypto, and that is why I am not going to do it, explain you exactly how to go and use the platform, use the bridge, participate in an application, all the steps that Optimism launched for the airdrop. I really think that Arbitrum is going to do the same. It's going to be very, very similar of the airdrop of Optimism. So you can start to participate and do all that in the Arbitrum layer, so you can earn this airdrop. So guys, that is the review for this. The exact steps, you can see it in the video of Crypto Chico. I don't want to repeat everything because it's actually 10 minutes of video. But here I give you an example of how it was with the Optimism. You can see that many people did between $30,000 and $50,000. So this is not small money. If you do all the steps and similar like it was here on the steps guide for Optimism, and I will put the link on the description again, You can really do the same in Arbitrum, and you can be ready for an amazing more than 20,000 tokens of the layer 2 solution. So imagine that this happened with you with Polygon and Matic or another tokens. You have $20,000 just from thin air because you participate in an airdrop. This is always true, guys. This is not a scam. This has been happening for many people. Many people got rich with Optimism too. And be smart. You can use more than one wallet and do everything, so you can maximize your rewards using more than one wallet. Just an advice. Of course, nothing of this is financial advice. This is my opinion and what I am planning to do. So guys, this is my review. The Arbitrum Airdrop, it will be launched soon. I am sure about that during 2022. So be prepared and do everything here in order to get your airdrop. That is all for the video. Please put your comments below. What do you think about Arbitrum and the airdrop? Are we expecting that together or not? And tell me if you are doing these steps. Thank you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.